vlog's back. The vlog's back. Little boy. That's it. Yes. Woo! Do you want to introduce this week's vlog, Jake?
Well, this week's vlog we're going to our local track, do some motocross, and then yeah, we might have some lunch with crew chief. Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, that's right. The vlog's back. The vlog's back. Well, I think it's back. I'm going to try and put something together from a bit of a riding day here in Spain, and yeah. Hope you enjoy it. What are we saying?
You riding or not? No.
Not riding?
No.
Why?
Because
Why not?
I'm just tired.
When I asked you last night, you were riding and then stayed up late, prepped your bike.
I know where I'm going this morning, so...
When do you think we're going? Like next week?
I thought we were going like... maybe... like 10 o'clock.
Do you want to have a chill on your iPad and then we'll think about it when we get there?
Maybe. Or 2:10.
Second breakfast, Jake. Is that your race fuel?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to be on it?
Oh yeah.
How's your second breakfast going, Tyler?
I haven't had any of it yet.
Are you still tired? You too tired to eat it, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, you tired little boy. Are you more interested in riding or more interested in your goggles?
What?
You're more interested in riding or your goggles?
Probably goggles. But anyway, I want to ride.
So we're here at a track called Brack. I found this a couple of years ago when I was doing my motocross camp. It's a pretty simple track for adults, but they've got a decent kids track here, so that was the reason. And it was open on Easter Monday, so yeah, van full of bikes. Excuse the orange one, but Cowie don't have a 50, so it has to be orange. So first things first, going to sign on, and yeah, don't know what to do, you know, with Tyler, because he says he doesn't want to ride. But does that mean I should sign him on anyway, so he's done? Or does it mean I should save some money and then see what's what, you know? But he's signing on, look, cool little setup. Oi, look who it is. Right, so sign 3 was on. If Tyler doesn't ride, it's going to be a waste of 20 euros. And if he does ride, then he's already signed on and ready. It's full KRT day. Alvar Garriga, our technical manager's here. Corey, chief mechanic, walking there in the distance. So yep, look at Jake, he's ready. You ready? Should I get some cool video of you? What do you reckon, kiddo?
I changed my mind.
You changed your mind? Why?
I don't know.
So yeah, Tyler wants to ride, so we're out seeing how he gets on here. There he is. Go on, Tyler. Not be that fast, but he looks the part. He's loving it. He asked Jake would he show him around the track, and Jake's already about 20 seconds in front. Patience of a big brother. Nice to get them out here. Family day out. I did my first 20-minute moto. Pretty tight track for a 250 to be honest, but it's nice enough. But look at this. Kids are so lucky to have this. Looks like this track's 10 minutes from home. Inside, inside, inside. That's it. Yes. Woo! Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Yes, Tyler. You have fun, mate?
Yep.
What's your best part of the track?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Your kit looks well. You want to put it back in the stand for you?
Yep.
Alright, you grab this, your goggles and stuff.
Oh.
So it goes down like this. Pretty much I finish my moto and then these boys get to go out and play, don't you?
Yep.
You having a good time?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm trying to do 20-minute sprints, but like full sprints. It's yeah, not easy. Especially in a little tight track like that, but it's good. Some nice good scrub jumps, which is good fun.
Dad, you didn't.
So that's 2 20s done. I didn't scrub them?
No.
Really?
Jake said you didn't. I thought you did. Jake said you didn't.
Jake's talking rubbish. Jake's got no idea, mate.
Jake!
Hey, come here. Let's see what he has to say for himself. Was I not scrubbing them jumps?
What?
Was I not scrubbing?
I play on XGP.
Let's go and see your scrubs then.
I don't scrub yet.
Don't scrub your elbows though and your head on the ground. Right, kid's turn. Third moto for you, is it, Jake?
Yeah.
Second for you, kiddo?
Yep.
Your neck brace. About to go for my last moto. It'll be 3 20s today. And oi, what's up with you? What about these last laps, mate? Just brain fart or what? Just tipping over in the last lap.
Oops.
You're doing so well though. She's a cool bike, Mud. Like the stickers. Blackbird have done a good job, haven't they? Right, I'm gonna go and do my last moto. Tyler, are you gonna come and watch me?
Yeah.
Are you?
No.
No?
Don't really want to.
You don't want to watch me? You're happy to play Minecraft? Is that what you want to do? You want to play Minecraft?
I'll come and watch you. I'll play Minecraft.
Don't worry, mate. I'll let you stay here. Coming up. What are you looking at?
Told you, y'all. I told you. No, I got it perfect. You told me.
So, mate, wrapped up a good day. You had fun?
Had tons of fun.
And now, look, the football. Tyler! Football down, let's go. Let's go.
Next year he will come to play with Dad.
Yeah,
Because
they're the same age.
his level is higher.
You reckon?
And I think also, I don't know, you don't show me which is your
He's
level.
arrived. You alright?
Yeah, good, very good. Vamos.
See ya. We had a good day. There we go. That's the end of another decent day. Perry came to watch. He's took the boys when I have lunch at my house, so yeah, just need to find the keys. So yeah, great day. It was worth it to pay for Tyler's entry fee because he actually he rode. albeit he just got around. Maybe it's time, but he's hasn't got a lot of interest in motorbikes, so it's always hard, you know, with a kid that's brought up around motorbikes and he's got zero interest. Jake, on the other hand, is interested, and I can see he doesn't ride a lot, but he does a lot of things good, very good actually. But his you know, the ambition ability thing, it's actually his ambition. He wants to go so fast, but technically he's just, because of experience, he hasn't done a lot. So I'm actually really pumped with him today. He done well, and I got my 3 motos in, so yeah, my hands are a bit finished. So yeah, got dusty at the end, but that's me done. We'll ride again Wednesday. I'm going to try and get Tash riding. She's going to ride my dirt track bike, or the flat track bike, and yeah, see how she goes. It's always a successful day when you can drive out the gate uninjured, happy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. I'll throw it together, and we'll get Gaz back on the good stuff for Assen. So stick with us, make sure and like the video if you can, share it with your buds, and subscribe. That would really help me out. And yeah, until next time, see you later.